Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another unboxing. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So today, guys, we got something very special. We have the owner's edition of the Carta 2. We have the matching saber, and I wanted to go ahead and show this to you guys. So if you guys don't know, Focus V was offering a couple of shares of their company at $1.52 per share. If you meet certain thresholds, so if you invest about $500, I believe, you get a free owner's edition saber, which is just an exclusive colorway. Now, if you spend $1,000, then they send you this owner's edition Carta 2. Now, a lot of people are saying that's a lot of money to spend for a Carta, but you are highly mistaken. This is an investment. These are purchases made of stocks. $1,000. I didn't pay $1,000 for the Carta. I paid $1,000 for shares in that company. So them sending this is just a gift, because at the end of the day, if that stock goes up, I can, I'm making money. So they can send all this. I can pull my $1,000 out right now and I have my $1,000 back. But because we believe in the company, that $1,000 might turn into 10,000 or 15. Who knows, man? It's always just a gamble. But shout out to Focus V. Thank you guys so much for sending out this cool stuff. I wanted to make sure that I brought this onto the channel just to show you guys. I went ahead and took it out of the box, but of course, let's go ahead and look at the box. Shareholder right there with the owner's edition graphic on there. Owner's edition on the side as well, on both sides. Just a very unique look. Once you open it up, standard just like all the others, except you have the owner's edition right here on the front. All right, guys, and then inside the box, of course, you're going to get the actual unit. So as you guys can see, it's a little bit different. Most standard packs are going to be the fabric material. This one is going to be leather. So you guys can see everything is leather bound. And this is real leather, guys. Smells funky, just like real leather, man. As you guys can see there, you got the matching strap, leather strap, with some nice upgraded metal pieces. You also have the badge on the front, Focus V, Owner's Edition, Los Angeles, California. Let's go ahead and open her up. Really nice, all your standard stuff. You got your charging cable, the actual unit itself. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Let's see what else comes in here. You got your really nice dab tool. You also have some alcohol wipes and some additional accessories. So in here, guys, you're going to have your cap for your Carta. So a lot of times you overlook this one piece right here, and you see a lot of people showing off their Cartas, and you see these, but this is for when you're traveling. If you have water in here, you want to go ahead and put your cap on, put it in your travel kit, and you don't have to worry about any spills. This is if you want to run a ball cap. And then this is just an additional chamber in case you want to run like a tough tether and you got your own top. So very cool. Let's go ahead and put this right back in here. We're just going to go ahead and leave that stopper on. They also give you a case for your tips, and they also give you a full case. So one of the only companies that I've seen that gives you a 30 count as opposed to like a 6 or 8 count. So very cool. Nice threaded cable for the charging cable. I thought that was really nice as well. With the multi-cable tie. Really dope. as well as this. You can just use that wherever you need, place it wherever you need to. And yeah, guys, so pretty dope. What do you guys think? I thought this was a really cool device. Let me go ahead and wipe off the screen, as I have already started it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Owner's edition. I also noticed it was a very quick startup as well. We got 0 hits on it. What do you guys say we go ahead and take a dab? Let's take a 460 temp dab. We're going to run it for, let's say, 45 seconds. We already did the initial burn off. Let's go ahead and grab our black tie rosin right here. This is going to be some cereal milk, courtesy of Black Tie. If you guys are interested in their flour, they got super nice flour as well as rosin and batter. Go ahead and use code Space City. Code Space City will save you, I believe, 20% off at Black Tie CBD. If it's not 20, it's 10%, one of those, but feel free to leave it down below in the comments. Stuff is looking very nice, as you guys can see. Go ahead and grab our saber. As you guys can see, it's also been used. Go ahead and grab a little bit of this cereal milk. And we'll go ahead and drop it on it. There we go. Put the top back on our saber. Let's go ahead and close this up. And we see that it's loaded up. Let's go ahead and double click. Getting ready to go. We'll take our stopper off. And we'll watch it melt. Dope. Let's go ahead and put the top on. Cheers, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. Very smooth. Very nice hit. Burn clean. Look at that. Damn near nothing left. Very smooth. Expecting nothing less. Let's go ahead and grab one of our Q-tips just to make sure that we keep our device clean. I like the lights around it. Nice rainbow color effect. Again, you guys can go into the app and customize it to whatever you guys would like. I recommend cleaning it up after every 1 or 2 uses, 3 uses, whatever. Just make sure you're cleaning it. And take care of your device, fellas. And there you guys have it. The Focus V CARTA 2 Owner's Edition. Very sick device with the matching Owner's Edition saber. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the dab. And I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next one. If you guys are on social media, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Official Space City and at Official Space City Cannabis merch. If you guys are on TikTok, follow me at Real Space City Cannabis. If you guys are on Social Club, follow me at Space City Cannabis. And if you guys are on YouTube, feel free to follow my other 2 channels, Spacegasm Podcast and Space City Grows. Now, with all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next unboxing. Peace.